first, the only common ground anyone had was raw talent. But now, thanks to you, they've become a team. You're an extraordinary young woman. I just want you to know how grateful I am for all your hard work. When I was transferred, I thought for sure the class would fall apart, but no, you kept it going. Thank you, Nanami. You have done more for your friends than you'll ever know.
Is this really where we're supposed to be?
Miss Yukizome? So of course.
You were the obvious choice.